Alright. We tighten the laser down. And I fire it again, it stayed on. If it falls off again, I'm just going to take it off and not worry about it. It's loose, but it didn't come off, so I'll have to tighten it back down. I wonder why it's doing that. Well, I say that, but if you guys saw the mounting system, you would understand why. Alright, take two. Scope lens was in the way. Well, I can mag change pretty quick. I just need more practice with that. All right. That laser's staying on there now. Got that dude tight. Unfortunately, it's too bright out for the green laser to show up. I'll have to wait for a cloudy or darker day. Because I sighted it into my spec AR. But it's too bright out. Got a brass catcher so we don't have to pick it all up. Yeah, that was the last one. Sweet. Alright, I'm going to let the black rain cool off and then go to the St. Victor and do some sitting down shooting with it. Shooting with it, getting ready for when the Empire strikes back. Okay. She locked up and she's on fire. Got it set to 1.2 magnification. Oh, Mr. Meth Head is in trouble now. He thought he was safe when I had that Riley. Good go. Dang. He likes to do that crap where if it's got a lot of light behind the camera and out there, it makes everything that I'm wanting to film, which is me and the gun, black. shadowed over, so that fixed it. Mean the background is brighter, but you can at least see me. Still got 20 rounds of Dillon ammo in the St. Victor here. I'm gonna just target shoot a little bit. I'm gonna pose a question. If I were to cast a vote in November, which I'm not going to, would it matter? Food for thought. There we go, that was 20 shots. And each diamond got at least 3. Alrighty, AR15s. Follow up, I took both of my ARs out, my Black Rain Ordnance. CQB AR, looks like a GWAT era M4. And my St. Victor AR15 with a SIG. What is the powers? It's a LPVO, low power variable optic from SIG. So 1 to 6. And this is the SIG Tango MSR. Optic, very good optic. And the first target I shot, with both of them shooting offhand, mostly the BRO. AR-15, was just planking, doing some mag change drills and doing some minute-of-man impact shooting. And, you know, it's you know, put the red dot on there. That's pretty much what I was doing, putting the Vortex Optics Spark AR red dot. I was just putting the dot, lining it up with the front sight on the A1 front sight post, and then putting it right there and then squeezing the trigger. And that's pretty much all I did with the Black Rain Ordnance. And then I ran 30 rounds through the St. Victor with MSR set to this power setting right here. Oh, wait. Yeah, it may have been set to like right there. It was somewhere in here. It wasn't quite on 1.5. And hit it a little bit. And then I took the St. Victor over to the bench and sat down and started planking. And my God, this rifle baffled me. I had forgot how accurate this rifle was. Anyway, I had started from here with this 20 round magazine, by the way, and I had started here, groups, 1 3-shot group, 2 3-shot group, 3 3-shot group, 4 3-shot group, and then I would empty the rest of it out into that diamond. And then the second go around, I started here, went back with more 3-shot groups, and then eventually I got bored and started shooting these straight at you, and then just started shooting there. But anyway, I measured all the groups out. Now these were with Dillon XL750 throw together reloads that me and my dad have been putting together. I've been running that XL750 since right before the pandemic. And the reloads for them were initially for our DPMS Oracle ARs, which we still both have. I've not got rid of my DPMS Oracle. It's a very good rifle. I just haven't had it out to shoot it a whole lot lately. It's been, I'd say, about a year since I had it out, and then it had been several years before that when I shot the Oracle last. Either way, this rifle here with those reloads meant for a totally different rifle shot really damn good. And I measured the groups. There's 1.25 MOA, 0.80 MOA, under an inch, 0.115 MOA. I might as well go here. 0.75 MOA, 3/4 under an inch. Right here, 0.95 MOA, 0.50 MOA. Very tight, as you can see, and it's half of this inch square, so that checks out. 0.80 MOA, 0.70 MOA. Again, it's halfway. The square right here I measured, it's halfway, so 0.70. And then here where I just, dump was 1.50 being the biggest group on the target. But that was just plinking. That was me just, taking my time and putting that dot from that Tango MSR on the diamonds and little Stradia squares, and just taking my time going through and pacing myself and counting my shots. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, free for all. And then put 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, free for all. And then, started hitting those. But all in all, that's a scary rifle right there. That one. That St. Victor. It shoots flat as hell. When I rapid fired it earlier, that was one of the first times I'd actually ever really rapid fired it intentionally. I mean, I shot it out there at my grandma and grandpa's there when I first bought it, there back in 2022. And I let a few rounds rip then, but that was kind of paced with little breaks in between. But when I cut loose there earlier this evening, this dude can put the hurt on something in short order, and it is hella accurate to boot. So yes, I'm very impressed with that. And I'm very impressed with this rifle too, even though I had a jam in it, but I'm going to assume that was the brass catcher getting into the mag well, or into the receiver port, preventing the shell from extracting. And the laser, the SMS laser, kind of disappointed me. I mean, it's on there now, but earlier it came loose, and I did not get to test the laser out on the target, because I thought this laser was brighter than what it is, but compared to the Purse, it's halfway, but that's about it. It's halfway on brightness. It's got a nice beam, but in straight daylight, it does not show up like the Purse 4 on my M14A4. So it lacks in power compared to that, which I thought it wouldn't, but it does. Either way, I will get out, and I've got the laser sighted to the red dot, which the red dot's sighted to the front sight post. So they're all in line. I just need to get out and to confirm on paper, and I was hoping to do that today. I was just going to turn the rifle 45 degrees and aim with the laser. Just put the laser on the paper and start pulling the trigger, but Unfortunately, the beam would not show up on paper in solid daylight, and it kept coming loose. It came loose like twice, and I finally tightened it down. It seems to be a good unit, but the mounting system is kind of very rednecked. It's kind of poor, and well, I'll have to see how it holds up over time. Let's just say that. Either way, though, I'm happy with both rifles, and got to stretch their legs today and have some fun. So anyway, guys, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Hope to get out more, especially with this bad boy, because this is the rifle. I've done less with this AR than I have the other two, because it hasn't been put together as a complete rifle for very long. And I kind of think it's out of all my collection, it is the most neglected rifle, because anytime I would, when I find it, it sat as just an upper in my closet for a whole year, and then when I threw a lower on it, I got entranced with a few other rifles and wasn't able to get back to it until now, so I need to work with him some more. But all in all, I love it, and I really need to work with this one some more as well. All this one has left needing done to it is a sling, but other than that, it's set up for whatever I want it to do. But anyway, guys, till next video, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.